In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Canva account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to manage your digital footprint, consolidate accounts, or simply step away from Canva, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, we need to head over to the Canva website, open your browser and type in canva.com. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll find the login button here. Click it and sign in with your credentials. Canva offers a seamless experience, so if you've previously signed up using Google or Facebook, you can take advantage of those options to log in quickly. Once you're logged in, we need to navigate to your account settings. At the top corner of the homepage, you'll see a gear icon, which is sometimes represented by your profile icon. Click on it, and this will direct you to your account settings. In your settings, take a look at the side menu on the left hand side. Here you will see various options. What you're looking for is login and security. Click on it to reveal more detailed settings related to your account security and login information. If you scroll down through this section, you'll come to a point where you can see the delete account button. This is a crucial part of the process, so take a moment to ensure you are certain about this decision. Clicking this button will prompt the system to begin the account deletion process. Before it's finalized, Canva will likely ask you to confirm your decision. This might involve entering your password again or verifying your choice through an email confirmation. This step is important as it ensures you are the account owner and you really want to proceed with this permanent action. Once you've confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. However, it's worth noting that the deletion won't happen immediately. Canva provides a 14-day grace period before your account is permanently removed. This is a handy feature in case you change your mind. During this window, if you decide to keep your account, simply log back in and the deletion process will be cancelled. And there you have it, a straightforward way to delete your Canva account. While it might seem daunting to part with an account, Canva has made the process user-friendly and secure. Remember, managing your online accounts efficiently is key to maintaining good digital hygiene. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.